best portable induction cooktops. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I am diving into the world of the best portable induction cooktops to completely upgrade your cooking setup. Whether you're living in a compact apartment, traveling in an RV, or just need an extra burner for holiday gatherings, I have tested and found the top options available right now to save you time and money. Let us get right into the list and find the perfect match for your kitchen. Product number 1. New Wave Flex Precision Induction Cooktop. When it comes to reliable and compact cooking solutions, this unit completely stands out from the competition. I really appreciate how the shatterproof ceramic glass combines durability with a sleek look that fits right into any modern American kitchen. The 6.5-inch heating coil delivers incredibly even heat distribution, so you never have to worry about cold spots ruining your meals. You get 45 precise temperature settings, ranging from 100 to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, giving you absolute control whether you are melting chocolate or searing a steak. I also love the flexibility of the 3 wattage settings at 600, 900, and 1300 watts, which is perfect for RV owners or anyone dealing with limited power circuits. Product number 2. Countertop Portable Induction Cooktop Silver 9600 LS. Upgrading to a premium cooking experience is exactly what this stunning silver countertop burner offers. I am thoroughly impressed with the LCD sensor touch interface, which provides a seamlessly smooth and modern operation right at your fingertips. Pushing 1800 watts of pure cooking power, this machine boils water remarkably faster than traditional gas or electric stoves, saving you precious minutes during hectic dinner routines. The safety features are top-notch, which gives me immense peace of mind when cooking around family members. It detects when a pan is removed and automatically shuts off, preventing any accidental burns or wasted energy. The precision control allows for delicate simmering without scorching your favorite sauces, while the robust build quality feels incredibly premium on your countertop. Product number 3. Amazon Basics 1800-watt portable electric induction cooktop. Finding immense value without sacrificing quality is essential, and this particular model delivers exactly that for any smart shopper. I found this unit to be incredibly straightforward and user-friendly, making it a fantastic choice for those transitioning to induction cooking for the very first time. It pushes a solid 1800 watts to ensure quick and efficient heating across its tempered glass surface. The built-in child lock is a phenomenal addition that provides a crucial layer of safety for busy households. I also heavily rely on the integrated timer and the overheat protection, which let me step away from the kitchen without constantly stressing about my food burning. With 8 distinct power settings and temperature control up to 440 degrees Fahrenheit, you have all the versatility needed to fry, boil, or simmer with absolute confidence. Product number 4. New Wave Gold Precision Induction Cooktop. Stepping up the game requires serious hardware, and this portable cooker brings heavy-duty performance to the table. I am immediately drawn to the expansive 8-inch heating coil, which accommodates much larger skillets and pots compared to standard models, making family meal prep a total breeze. You get an extended temperature range, starting at 100 degrees and pushing all the way up to 575 degrees Fahrenheit. This extreme heat capability allows me to achieve the ultimate restaurant-quality sear on premium cuts of meat right on my countertop. The 12-inch heat-resistant cooking surface provides ample room and exceptional durability for heavy daily usage. It also features 3 selectable wattage settings, ensuring you can plug it in almost anywhere without tripping a breaker. Product number 5. Countertop Portable Induction Cooktop Black 9610 LS. Finishing out this lineup is a truly magnificent piece of culinary technology that commands attention in any kitchen. I absolutely love the sleek black finish on this model, which resists fingerprints and wipes down flawlessly after messy cooking sessions. Operating at a powerful 1800 watts, it guarantees rapid heating and incredible energy efficiency for your daily meals. The LCD sensor touch control panel is beautifully illuminated and highly responsive, eliminating the frustration of clunky physical dials. I noticed a significant improvement in heat retention and distribution when using my cast iron cookware on this specific plate. The built-in diagnostic error message system is a brilliant touch, instantly letting you know if you are using incompatible cookware or if there is a voltage issue.
Thank you so much for tuning in to today's breakdown of the best cooking gear. I hope this guide helps you choose the perfect induction setup to elevate your culinary game at home or on the road. Be sure to check the description below for the latest availability and grab yours today. I will catch you in the next video with more top-rated reviews and kitchen upgrades.